Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Butter 10 pounder dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Butter 10 pounder dildo itself. As you can see, it's a hugely impressive size. And this is recommended for experienced users and experts and is not recommended for beginners. It has a minimum diameter of 5.5 centimeters and a maximum diameter of 6.8 centimeters. Now, as you can see, this 10 pounder from the Butter collection is a sleek butt plug for those who are experts in anal play. The XXL butt plug features a wide diameter and flares out in girth. The material feels silky soft and smooth and is firm yet flexible as well, making it very comfortable during use. The wide base keeps the plug in place and gives you confidence during penetration as well. The cup at the bottom is strong, so you can also enjoy hands-free play as well. Now, when using this dildo, we would recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. You can also use the other products from the Butter range, including the fisting gel and fisting butter as well. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Butter 10 pounder dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.